Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am so unbelievably excited to share this book with you. This time I have the pleasure of sharing with you a phenomenal project created by Beth Holt. I'm super lucky to call her my crafting friend, and she's just an amazing student, and I'm so lucky. She's allowing me to share this with you today, and she created the abstract folio, and I cannot wait to get into it with you. She actually used a digital collection by Simple Stories called Traveler's Notes, and right on the front I love how she put like this little paper clip made of paper of this little cute airplane, and it kind of has like a little slit so you can slide it in and tuck it places, and I love it. Beth participated in the January challenge, so we were all making the abstract folio together, and this is what she came up with. I love that cute camera stamp. Oh my gosh, Beth, this flew all the way and traveled from Minnesota. So I think it's just brilliant. I can't say enough good things about this because I get to connect with your art, and this opens right up. And if you are interested actually in taking this class for yourself, I'll leave a link to the class info down in the description for you. I love these little buildings. Beautiful space here. Love that nice bright color and the neutrals balancing it out. And she's got this beautiful flap right here and a nice little swing closure. Love that little metal accent. And then this, oh my God, that's so sweet. This opens right up. I love it. I'm obsessed. Wow. This is so cute. That swings back up to keep that closed. And then beautiful angle. This actually opens up again. And then, look at that, fantastic. Love her little journaling lines right there. Is this sweet or what? That camera stamp, and look how much she put in here. If you've never made one of these books before, this is one you can do. Oh my goodness. I mean, look at this. Look at everything you can fit in here. You can fit a good number of pictures. I love that black textured cardstock that you used. It just adds like this nice little, she backed this. Look how fantastic. Just go, it says. And look how pretty. Beth, I love your little assembly here of colors and textures. So pretty. Oh my gosh. I love the bright tones with the neutral tones. It's totally getting me right now. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Is that not the truth? Look how cute. Wow, this is so special. I can't believe I'm even touching this. I can't believe it. This book holds anywhere from 30 to 60 depending on how you use this book. And that just folds back down and closes and opens up again on the back. Oh my goodness. Look. Are you kidding? I don't even know where to start. Okay, let's start on the left panel over here. She has some texture going on this curvature pocket. I'm going to go ahead and get a close-up here. Look at the texture on that. I mean, I've never seen anything like that before, Beth. That is gorgeous. Another little paper clip made of paper. Design as a camera. What a nice little accent to just kind of pop a whole nother element throughout. I believe that's a Kathy Orta King. She learned that from. Gorgeous. I love Kathy. Beautiful soul. Look at this. Beautiful 4x6 photo space, and again, a little small photo there. Love how you're pulling the blues here in the strip. It just bounced off that page beautifully. And look at this cute little suitcases. Oh my gosh, that textured corner. That is just like awesome. Again, a couple more photo spaces. I'm in love with that camera stamp. Where did you get that camera stamp? And a cute little postcard. I like how you're just backing it. I've never seen that style either. I just love it. I love it. Everyone makes books differently, and I'm obsessed. And look at that style of that acetate that she captivated beautifully in this angle. And then this pouch. Nice magnetic closure. The entire tutorial is down in the description if you want to learn to make this. This is something you can do. And look how she added that. Right there. That must be another, yes. How sweet. It's like an interactive element that you can kind of move around. And look at that angle of that pocket there. You have done magnificent. Just an absolutely magnificent job, Beth. This is just gorgeous. Oh, and look at this little magnet. Oh, she added like a little interactive little booklet pocket bonanza blast. I mean, what's going on over here? This is so cute. I think that's also an addition to something she learned from Kathy as well, and she combined it into this book. Look how perfect. I mean, is that satisfying or what? How sweet. And that fits perfect in there. Beth, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, I love every bit of it. Look how this book came together, and look at the back of this. All these little sentiments on here with love from the craft room of Beth Holt. Absolutely. I am going to have to try some of the things you did in your book, Beth. Thank you so much for your inspiration and allowing me to share this with everybody. You are just so awesome. Thank you again, everyone, so much for joining me for this. Oh my gosh, it's been so special, and I cannot wait to see you in the next one. I hope everyone has an awesome day, and Beth, hugs to you, and thanks again. Bye.